Hydroponics can be defined as the technique of growing plants without using soil, using an inert medium to which a nutrient solution containing all the vital elements essential for the plant's normal development is added. Since many of these methods use some type hydroponic culture medium, they are called soilless, often while growing only in water, would be the true hydroponics.
Advantage: provides the root all time a constant level, regardless of weather or growth stage moisture. Reduce the risk by excessive irrigation. Avoid waste of water and fertilization. Ensure irrigation through the root area. Significantly reduce disease problems caused by soil pathogens. Increase yield and improve production quality.
Rain. Acid rain is formed when moisture in the air combines nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide, and sulfur trioxide, emitted by factories, power plants, boilers, and vehicles that burn coal or petroleum products containing sulfur. In interaction with the rainwater, these gases form nitric acid, sulfurous acid, and sulfuric acid. These chemicals fall to the earth, accompanying precipitation and forming acid rain.